Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Dragon, and today's guest stars are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie.
Woo! Yeah! Go Angelina! Yeah, Pitt! Sniff my bits!
Okay. So they've been having problems with their marriage, and what is the problem, Brad?
Woo!
See, she's so stupid. She always
OMG!
wants to pick a fight with me. She thinks it's funny.
So what's up with you, Angelina?
Well, he's just too boring and old.
Oh, they just dissed you, Brad Pitt.
Okay, so what happened to your two children? So what are they gonna end up?
We are giving them up for adoption.
Oh my God, even the little African one?
Yay!
OMG!
Oh my goodness. Goodness. Everybody in the crowd said, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness!
Okay. Today's questions for Angelina and Brad. First up is from Fred from California.
Go Fred! Woo! Yeah, Fred!
Okay, Brad and Angelina, what's up with this? You love those African babies and Indonesians and stuff. What's up with that?
Well, you see, it's always her. She always wants to adopt kids because she feels bad for them. But I told her no more.
Well,
You see, I just feel bad for these kids that have no homes. And it's just
Aww.
so tragic, and we believe that we should put them in our house. We don't believe nothing! What are you talking about?
Boo!
okay.
Boo,
Next
you.
question is from Larry Washington from Washington.
Yeah, Larry! Woo!
Okay. So today's question from me to Angelina is, why are you dating Brad when you can go out with a man like me?
Oh, yeah, you wanna watch somebody?
Big collision!
Well, you see, even though he's old and naggy, I still love him. Because when we first met, he just caught my heart.
Ooh, aww.
Get out, Larry. Okay.
Yeah, that's right, Larry.
Next question is from Tree from Jamaica. Yo, bud.
Oh, yeah, tree!
Oh.
Oh, yeah, woo!
Yeah.
Let's go, man!
Hey, my question is for Brad. Why do you like having that big mustache?
Well, you making fun of my mustache. Well, you see, I grew this mustache when my grandpa was only 70 years old. He had the same exact one.
Cool!
And
Woo!
I just want to be just like my grandpa.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. Okay, I respect that, man. I really respect that.
Okay, man, so go back to your
Woo!
Jamaica.
Yeah!
And that was Talk Time with Dragon.
Woo!
Eat cheese and casserole, Monday to Thursday, all the time. Are you
It's
nice?
Friday.
Oh, Brad, you have a very good singing voice. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye!
All right, stop it.